Hey y'all, I just want to tell you how happy I am with my pop-up veneers. I've had them for about a month now and really enjoy them. I'm smiling again, which I haven't done in about 6 months. The whole process was so easy. Making the molds was pretty simple. I received my pop-ups in less than 2 weeks. The alternatives I was looking at, as far as implants go, indentures, out of the question. The implants were upwards of $25,000. But I'm very happy with my pop-up veneers. They go on so simply. They look great. I've gotten multiple compliments on them. And I'm smiling again. I think that's the big thing.